So this is the Aula F75. It's a 75% mechanical keyboard, which comes at a fair price on the web, and well, it's really famous because it sounds like this. This is the black side printed color theme, and it comes in many more. The version that I have is the tri-mode version, which means that you can connect this keyboard via Bluetooth, USB-C or wirelessly with a USB receiver that comes with it. The keycaps are double-shot PBT, nicely designed with the letters printed on the front side of the keycaps. Also, it has a volume knob on the right side. It rocks the Leobog Reaper switches, which are pre-lubed for that premium creamy sound. They are fully hot-swappable, so you can swap them easily without soldering. Typing feels smooth and slightly bouncy, I would say, because of the gasket mount and the foam layers inside. It's kind of heavy when you first hold it. It's around 1 kilogram for the people who want to know. Before we continue, let me show you how to install the software first. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on this page, the link will be on the description, press download software here. You will open the file, inside of it should be an installer, and just press OK, next, and then install, and then you can run the program. So this is the software. I will just go ahead and go by every setting, and you can just pause or slow down the video and see what you can change. There are some macros here and there, but you can also change the RGB, lighting style, effects, and etc.
Easy. Trinity, you're welcome.
5 kills remaining. Dominating.
Darkest girl goes bye-bye.
One kill remaining.
One more. Of course we won. Charlie, don't insult my personality.
Is this keyboard worth it? I think the price for this keyboard build is pretty much great for what you get. You can basically use it for gaming or just typing in general, and I think in every scenario it should get the job done. For me personally, I really like the creamy sound, so that's why I got it. I guess if you are a sound keyboard type of guy, then I would recommend this one to you.